I got some extra Foley going on here. This is funny. So I have the camera flash bulb, and then I have a thing called pretzel stick set down. And it's this with like a little whip sound that it's just like just like a pre-shift for the kick, I guess. Not crunchy enough. And then jewelry necklace set down.
Is that a beer can? Oh,
beer can opener. Clothes rustling. Cloth ripping. Telephone busy signal. Did I pitch this? Yeah, I pitched it so it matched the key a little bit better. And more pretzels, some more jewelry, beer cans, cloth, telephone, you know, all that stuff you find in your house. And apparently under the water in this context. Combined, I thought they all sounded really cool, like, because they're organic sounds. It's like they trigger a part of our brain that's like, oh, it's familiar. And so I feel like that kind of makes it a more visceral effect instead of it just being purely synthesized. That's why I like Foley in general, just because it's like, it's more visceral.
It adds a human effect to it that lets people connect to the song a little more, I think, too.
Like, even if people don't recognize what it is, it's like an instinctive response. It's like, that's a sound that is ingrained in our culture for so many years that it has more power to it than just the fact that it's a sound. It's familiar on a subliminal level, and it connects with people better.